Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle JDK 17 long-term support edition on Windows 10 operating system. So Java 17 is a much awaited release. So here you can see that I already downloaded Oracle JDK 17 for Windows as a zip archive file. So I am going to extract the zip archive to C directory. Make sure that you have enough space in C directory. So let us extract the Oracle JDK 17. So I am choosing zip file because zip file is very easy to install and configure. So very useful for developers. So now let me extract this Oracle JDK 17 zip file content to C directory. So please read the description of this video. I have provided the download links and Java 17 features. So all the links are updated in the description of this video. Okay, so this is the extracted directory structure of Oracle JDK 17. So you can see bin directory. So bin directory contains a list of executable files and Java tools which are used to compile, run, debug Java. Conf directory, JMods. So JMods directory contains Java modules. So all the Java modules available in this JMods directory. Legal directory, lib directory. Okay, so there is no much difference between previous versions of Java directory structure. So same directory structure only, still maintained from Java 11. So now next step what I am going to do is I am going to create the Java_home environment variable. Okay, this PC, go to this PC, right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So here you can see that two types of variables are there. One is user variable and another system variables. So if you want Oracle Java 17 available for a particular user, you can use user variable. If you want Java 17 for all the users whoever log into this machine, you can create Java_home under system variable. So now I am creating Java_home environment variable under system variable so that all users can run Java 17. So I have created the Java_home environment variable pointing to Oracle JDK 17 directory successfully. Now I am going to append the Oracle Java 17 directories bin directory to the path variable so that all the executable files will be available in the command prompt. So this is the syntax %Java_home %/bin. So Oracle Java 17 bin directory is available in the command prompt so that all executables and Java tools will be available in the command prompt to compile and run Java programs. Okay, so everything is done now. Click the OK button. Now let me open the command prompt. Okay, so now let us try to run the commands, Java commands, Java-version. Yes, so Java-version shows Oracle JDK 17 successfully installed. Java C-version. Yes. Next, let me try JShell. Yes. So everything is fine. Oracle JDK 17 installation on Windows 10 operating system is successful. So please read the description of this video for more information, download links and Java 17 features.